people what we're doing today?
Today we're gonna have a lot of fun and get real tired, or so we think. We might actually just have a lot of fucking fun going to climb this big mountain behind the tree called Mount Begbie.
Still gonna send it.
Dude.
Spaghetti, spaghetti, who wants the spaghetti? We're gonna do zigzags just so that we don't go straight uphill. It gives us better grip. And so I'm gonna go this way and then switch back. And so like you see there's cracks in the ice, so every time like on the snow you'd see cracks, that means there's probably a crack in the ice underneath, so we're gonna avoid those. But right now there's a tongue of snow that goes all the way to the base of the ledge, so we're gonna follow that and gonna go slow and steady, and the rope's always gonna be taut. Ja, meine Freunde, das ist der große Bergstrand, ja. It is the first crevasse on the glacier. It's very pretty. It's also known as the man-eater. A lot of people die here. It's where you find the jewels, the gold, you know, all the abandoned gear. It's good stuff.